segment for Pappy's Corner coming up.
If you want to make Pappy's Tater Tot Casserole, you're going to need a tray of tater tots and a pound of ground beef, a small can of mixed vegetables, and a can of cream of celery soup. You can use cream of mushroom soup if you'd like. I'm browning up the ground beef now, and I'll put on some seasoning salt here. We call this red salt, and it adds a nice flavor. Normally I would chop up some fresh onions and put in here, but Mama Pappy doesn't care for that, so I'm going to go ahead and sneak in some minced onions, and that'll add a little onion flavor, and she'll be none the wiser. Go ahead and chop this up while the meat is browning. I like it more of a finer consistency. I got the oven warming up for the tater tots. Meanwhile, I'll drain off the grease, and mainly that's water in there. Get that out of there. Get it back on the heat. And I did put the tater tots in, so while they're cooking, I'll go ahead and I'll get the cream of celery soup put out on here. There's always a little bit left in the can, so when I get the can of mixed vegetables opened up, why, I'll go ahead and I'll pour the water that's in there right in with that cream of celery soup, that residual in there, and get all that out of there. That's the only water that I put in here. And in goes the mixed vegetables. I'm going to get this mixed up good here. And while this is cooking, the tater tots should be about done. I'm going to go ahead and speed up the camera. And now the tater tots are done. I'll get them pulled out here. And I've got a glass baking dish here that I usually take and put a layer of tater tots in the bottom of the baking dish, just enough to cover the bottom. Then I go ahead and pour in my ingredients, the ground beef and mixed vegetables there. And then in goes the rest of the tater tots. I'll get them put in here. And I like to pack them down in there good. Get them pushed into the juices. There we go. Get the lid on, get it back on the baking tray, and into the oven. I want to bake these in the oven, set the timer for 20 minutes at 350 degrees. I'll speed up the camera here so that we don't have to watch the oven as it's cooking the casserole for us. And there goes the timer. The casserole is done. I'll go ahead and pull it out. Get it up here. I can smell it now. I'll get the lid off here and set this into the cooling basket. Let's take a look here. Does that look delicious? Okay, into the cooling basket. And now off to the table so I can do a taste test.
Okay, there it is. Looks good. Dish some up here. This is one of my favorites. Tater Tot Casserole. Steaming hot. Well, let's see how it tastes. Tater Tot Casserole. You gotta love it. If you like it, give me a thumbs up. And remember, do something nice for someone today. Love ya.